YouTube? Today I'm going to show you guys how to put on some rail covers on your quad rail to cover up any of the rails that you're not using. Here we go. Alright guys, we're going to get down to the business of putting on these rail covers. As you can see here, we got 3 Troy rail covers. You can put as many or as few of these as you want on your rail. I like to put them on there because I like to be able to grip the rail and it's more comfortable. Also, in case you drop the rifle or anything, or who knows, it can, can protect your actual rails from getting dinged. But at any rate, I'm putting it on there mostly for comfort, so I can grab the rail with a better purchase on it. In order to install these, the instructions say you can go ahead and use a 5.56 bullet or a 223 to wedge the locks out of the way. Basically, you just slide these on and they lock in place. But in order to slide them on, you got to get these little locking lugs out of the way. So they say you can use a bullet. I'm going to use an Allen key personally, just because that's what I got lying around. I got bullets too, but I don't know, I'd rather save the bullets for the shooting. So, I'm going to go ahead and get to it. Well, you know what guys, for my purposes, I think I'm just going to rip the locking lugs out. Alright guys, these things fit pretty snug. Some of them are tighter than others. Be prepared that you might have to tap it on with a hammer. Alright guys, there you have it. I like the checkering. It feels nice and grippy with the checkering. So that's going to allow me to get a nice purchase on this firearm. Alright guys, I really like these covers. They've got the checkering. And it feels good. It gives you a good purchase on the rifle. They're not that easy to put on, which is good because if they're easy to put on, they're easy to take off. You want those to stay on there if you put them on. One thing you're going to have to do so that the locking lugs fit flush is you may have to gently tap it down with a hammer until the locking lugs pop in flush. And be careful not to hit your rail with the hammer. You know, just tap it lightly to the next spot where these things can come in flush, and you're good to go. If you like my videos, please like and subscribe. It helps a lot. Thanks a lot for watching, guys. I appreciate your company.